Hey! Excuse me. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of all this? What is the meaning? Why are you leaning on my car? Are you out of your mind? Are you stupid? Can't you see this is a car? Is this a dining table where you come and eat your garbage? Don't you have manners?
Baby, it is now. He's just leaning. He hasn't done anything wrong.
Huh? Did you just say something? Walk into the car. Get into the car.
I'm sorry, baby.
I said get into the car. I slap you. And you. I need to know you. Who are you? What gave you the mind, the audacity to lean on my car? Are you mad? You just see people park cars and you come and relax and eat your nonsense? Let today be the first and last you ever try that. No. Let me. I need to know your father. Because I believe there's something that gave you this guts. Who is your father? One of the governors? Like a senator like my father? I am asking you, dummy. I know you can't answer. Me looking at you, I know you are from the gutters. You don't even have any class. You don't even have any origin. Originated from zero. Nonsense. Please don't stand my car anymore. Dust it. Dust this garbage. Remove it. Don't let me. If I unleash my anger on you, you will not like it. Rubbish. That is how you will walk around messing people's cars. Have you ever gotten a tire? Have you? Have you made 1,000 in a day? Dirty pig.
Man, what's wrong with your car?
Good afternoon.
Hold on, sir.
I don't really know. I've tried. I was just passing by, then it stopped.
Are you sure it's no battery?
I've tried everything I could, but it's not working.
Well, let me see what I can do.
Okay. Thank you very much. So you mean we should check it out? Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm so delighted. Thank you. What is your name?
Chikamso.
Okay, I'm calling.
But don't thank me. Go thank my boss.
Your boss?
Yeah.
Oh, you are with your boss?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Thank you. It's not easy. You understand?
Yeah.
Surprise. You see, this is one of the reasons I keep telling people to be nice. Don't treat anybody you see as nobody. Treat people good. No matter how local, no matter how tattered that person appears to you, he or she deserves a very good treat. And there is a saying that says, treat the people you meet on your way up good, you might equally meet them on your way down. Of course, you never believe I can render a help to you. Oh yes. If I should say, okay, let me treat you the way you treated me, it doesn't pay. There are those who offend you. Treat them good for them to see reason to change from their evil ways and start doing good. And for this lady beside you, she deserves the best. You need to treat her well because she has a heart of gold. She is a nice girl. The way you shouted at her, so many people in her shoes will not take it. They will rather react. So you have to pamper her and value whatever you have for the sake of tomorrow. Treat people the way you would want to be treated. Good day.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Koja koloni